Financial app complaints usually show the exact points where users feel confused, delayed, or disappointed with their experience. By the end, you will know how to identify common Albert complaint patterns, how to separate serious issues from individual frustrations, and what to check before using the app. The first thing to understand is that one complaint does not automatically mean there is a widespread problem. A useful review pattern comes from seeing the same issue mentioned by multiple users with similar details. The first area to watch is app access and account management. Users often discuss problems with signing in, connecting information, or understanding how certain parts of an app work. When reading complaints, look for specific explanations about what happened and whether the user found a resolution. The second area is financial features and expectations. Money-related apps often receive complaints when users expect a feature to work differently than it actually does. Pay attention to whether the complaint is about the feature itself, the timing of an action, or a misunderstanding about how the service operates. The third area is customer support. A complaint about having a problem is different from a complaint about not getting help. Reviews that describe communication, response quality, and problem solving give more useful information than short comments with no details. Another important step is checking the date of complaints. App experiences can change after updates, policy changes, or improvements, so recent feedback is usually more relevant when researching what users currently experience. You should also compare complaints with positive reviews. A balanced view helps you understand both what users appreciate and where they experience friction. If users repeatedly mention the same advantage and the same concern, that gives you a clearer picture. A simple way to research Albert complaints is to organize what you find into 3 categories: repeated problems, positive feedback, and unanswered questions. This prevents one negative comment from influencing your entire decision. The main points are simple. First, patterns matter more than isolated complaints. Second, detailed reviews explain problems better than short reactions. Third, always compare user feedback with current information from Albert before making a decision. Your next step is to read recent Albert discussions and look for repeated themes instead of focusing on a single complaint. If this guide helped you understand how to evaluate app complaints, subscribe for more practical app reviews and user experience guides.